Mid-state supermarkets were full of shoppers Friday and Saturday. Then the parking lots were full of snow on Sunday.
But today turned out to be the perfect day to shop for people who are willing to wait. Seth Kaplan started his day at one such oasis.
This Manheim Township Wise's parking lot mostly clear of cars and snow.
Some milk, some tomatoes.
Hasi and Yusuf Tanis.
I'm buying chocolates.
It's a nice empty supermarket today.
Yes, I know.
Empty of people anyway. Shelves here mostly restocked. Roads here mostly clear. Not all of them though. Sidewalks becoming clear thanks to the hard work of people like Mike Benner.
Yeah, this is my exercise for the day. Gym is closed and so I'm shoveling snow.
And it's great exercise for him, for all these people. Just be careful not to carry that logic too far.
Now's the time to be cautious.
Warwick EMS Chief Rob Walker says don't let down your guard after a storm that around here was snowy, but thankfully not deadly.
Take your time, pace yourself. If you feel any chest discomfort, stop what you're doing, call 911, we'll come and check you out. And if you're, outside working hard, take some time to rehydrate, go in, get a drink of water. This is a good day to maybe step up your hot chocolate game and take the kids sledding.
Advice taken by these folks at Buchanan Park and these Franklin and Marshall College kids, while these folks cleared the sidewalks around the park. But back to fun, and back at Wise, turns out the Tannises weren't really mostly buying these necessities out of necessity.
Yeah, it's just to have some fun. We don't need much to shop.
A long time inside the house?
Yeah, long time inside the house. So get some fresh air, see some snow, and see what's here.
County, Seth Kaplan, ABC 27 News.
Thanks to Seth and that little boy. He was great.
Hi, I'm Eric Finkenbinder from ABC 27. We're excited to announce the new ABC 27 News Plus app. Live stream newscasts or watch content on demand. This is different than the ABC 27 app on your smartphone. You can check this out at home and it's very easy to use. With a Fire Stick, go to the homepage, scroll down to search. From there, enter ABC 27. Move over to the apps and there we are. Click the icon and install. It's just that easy.